Good morning to everyone. Today I am going to teach you accountancy of class 12th. Chapter 2nd. The name of the chapter Accounting for Partnership Firms Fundamentals. There are certain limitations of a sole traders in a sole trading. Concern only one man invests capital, undertakes the risk involved in the business and controls the whole affairs of the business, but one man's capital skills, controlling and risk bearing capacity are generally limited. Therefore, some person may be combined and enter into an agreement to form a partnership. Next, nature of partnership firm. As per accounting viewpoint, partnership firm is treated as separate business entity, distinct from its partner. However, as per legal viewpoint, a partnership firm is not a separate legal entity. It means that in case of bankrupt of the partnership firm, private assets of the partners would be liable to meet the firm's debt. Next, definition of partnership. Section 4 of the Indian Act 1932 defines partnership as partnership is the relation between persons who have agreed to share the profits of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Next, features of the partnership. Two or more person has two or more person. There must be at least two person to form partnership. Partnership Act does not specify the maximum number of person, but Section 464 Indian Company Act 2013 restrict the number of partners to 50. It means there should be no more than 50. Minimum to maximum 50. Second, lawful business. So partnership firm should be lawful. Risk bearing and sharing of profit. Partners entitled profit and also they will be bear all losses. Mutual agency. Partnership firm is a mutual agency. Unlimited liabilities. We know that there are two types of liabilities, limited and unlimited. So in partnership firm, unlimited liabilities. Unlimited liabilities means if firm is unable to pay his debt from firm's money, firm can utilize personal property of partners. Agreement. Partners is the result of an agreement. It must into the extends by an agreement and not by operation of law. Next, partnership deed. It's a very important point, partnership deed. Since partnership is the outcome of an agreement, it is essential that there must be some terms and conditions agreed upon by all the partners. Such term and condition may be either or oral, written and oral. The law does not make it compulsory to have a written agreement, may be oral also. Deed is also called articles of partnership. The partnership deed should be contain the following, like in deed the name and address of the firm, name and address of the partners, the type and nature of the business, the firm purpose, amount capital to be contributed by each partners, interest on capital, salary, commission, interest on drawing should be provided or not, it should be given in deed. Profit sharing ratio also, which ratio profit will be divided between the partners. Importance of partnership deed. Few are the important advantage we drafted deed. It contains and monitors the rights, responsibility and liabilities of all partners, avoids dispute between the partners, avoid confusion on profit and loss distribution ratio among the partners. This is the advantage of importance of deed. Individual partners' responsibility are maintained clearly. Partnership deed also define remuneration or salary of the partners and working partners, but interest is paid to each partner has to invested capital in the business. So this is the deed. It means partners deed, very important points. Partners entail salary, commission, interest on capital, drawing or not, should be given in deed, and profit will be divided in which ratio. Now, absence of partnership deed. It is also important. There is no term and condition. In that condition, only profit will be divided equally between the partner. No interest on capital, no salary, no commission without deed. And also interest on drawing will not charge. But interest on loan without deed also given to the partner 6% per annum. This is called absence of deed. It means absence of deed, only profit will be divided equally between partner and interest on loan provided 6% per annum. This is the absence of deed. Okay, I think clear. So next topic will be next day.